9 forecast.
A lot of clouds today. The showers started to develop this afternoon, and it's certainly been a wet night. Certainly more steadier rain along and west of the Blue Ridge. Temperatures in the mid 60s there, where we have upper 60s and lower 70s across the Piedmont. Here we are with NBC29's Doppler radar network. Again, you can see more scattered activity east of the mountains, steadier rain throughout the Shenandoah Valley, and then some moderate rain as you get up across the higher terrain into western Augusta County and Rockingham. Here we go over the last several hours, and it's basically been a plume of moisture that extends really from the coastal Carolinas all the way up into the Appalachians. As we go through tonight into tomorrow, we're going to have more in the way of banding or setting up of showers and even some thunderstorms that'll kind of run over the same areas. And with the Blue Ridge Mountains and the proximity of those, along with the rain and a front approaching from the west, we've got a moderate risk now of excessive rainfall, and that's why the flash flood watch is in effect, and that goes through early Thursday morning. So certainly be mindful of the potential for flooding, especially if you live near small creeks and streams and low-lying areas. But again, the models are pretty heavy now, picking up 2 to 4+ inches of rain. That could be enhanced a little more along the higher ridge tops of the Blue Ridge. So again, flooding potential is pretty high tomorrow. Temperatures for today, tomorrow will top out generally in the mid to lower 70s. We move into the afternoon and evening hours. We also have the potential for some isolated severe storms, those that could produce some damaging wind gusts, and can't completely rule out a short-lived isolated tornado. So again, remain weather aware tomorrow. Many hazards, potentially flash flooding, isolated severe weather. The front will come through late tomorrow night into Thursday morning. Showers should taper off in the morning. We'll have clearing, and then a nice air mass settles in here for the rest of the week. So we've got this moisture ahead of the main front, which is back to the west, just east of Chicago and St. Louis. And as this swings through, it's just going to enhance some of the rain traveling up the mountains and the way the winds are along the front. So we've got that potential for tonight. Here we are tomorrow morning, a wet go of things, and a wet start to fall will take us into the afternoon. As those storms and showers move from south to north, they're training over the same areas, so that increases the flood risk. And then potentially tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, there could be some isolated severe storms. Activity will work through in the morning hours. We'll have a much improved Thursday afternoon. Winds out of the northwest and the humidity dropping. So periods of rain tonight, temperatures generally in the middle 60s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Remain weather aware here for Wednesday as we kick off fall. Improving conditions later Thursday, and a nice stretch of weather takes us in through